Welcome to SkillsHunt, an AI-powered hiring platform that flips the job market. Instead of job ads and spammy applications, employers receive verified, pre-screened candidates instantly. Candidates begin with a simple onboarding wizard. They enter basic details, select their skills, and add education and experience. Once complete, the system instantly shows how many employers are a match. Candidates can apply to all of them in just one click. To verify their skills, candidates can upload portfolios and voice recordings. Each proof is tagged to a selected skill, making the profile more credible and transparent. Employers can listen to the candidate, view real work, and trust what they see. Candidates can generate multiple AI-powered resumes, each tailored to a different job role that matches their selected skills. This is crucial because many candidates aren't sure which roles they're best suited for. SkillsHunt gives them clarity by mapping their skills to real job titles and showing them what's possible. Once resumes are generated, they can select and save their preferred versions to a personal resume dashboard, depending on their purchase plan. Each resume can be fully customized, different layouts, colors, and formats. They're downloaded as ready-to-send PDFs and instantly visible to employers searching for those specific skills. This eliminates the need to rewrite or edit resumes for every job. This ensures the right resume reaches the right employer at the right time, saving time and increasing precision in candidate-employer matching. Employers don't post jobs. Instead, they search by skill, filter results, and instantly access matched verified profiles. Each candidate view includes voice previews, portfolios, and the most relevant resume for the role. Employers can shortlist candidates, send interview requests, or even send a hire request directly. All actions appear in the candidate dashboard. Candidates can subscribe to accept interviews and connect instantly via Zoom, already integrated. SkillsHunt eliminates the friction of hiring. No job ads, no resume spam, just verified, relevant talent, available in one click. We're redefining recruitment for both employers and job seekers.